In this video, I'm going to show you the techniques to obtain beautiful, delicious, and crispy shrimp fried spring rolls by avoiding the usual mistakes. Here are the ingredients for 20 fried spring rolls. Start by making the stuffing. Be careful, it should not obtain too much water, as the rolls will fry at over 100 degrees Celsius. The water will turn into steam, and with the pressure, they could break. To prepare the stuffing, soak 10 grams of wood deer mushrooms for 1 hour. To rehydrate 30 grams of glass noodles, soak them while preparing the other ingredients. Grate 2 carrots. Combine them with half teaspoon of salt. Let them rest in order to remove the water. After washing and draining 500 grams of shrimp, dry them well. Shrimp can bring 2 different textures to the stuffing. For the chewy one, chop half of it. Put them in a mixing bowl. Cut the other half into chunks. Then, season with half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Also add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It contributes to the texture and it absorbs water. Mix everything. Drain the mushrooms. Take off their foot. Chop them. Put them with the shrimp. Cut the glass noodle into chunks and also add them. They'll give consistency and also absorb water. Squeeze the carrots to remove the water. Chop 1 onion. Put it with the shrimp. Add 1 egg, it will bind on the ingredients. Mix well. To make the roll crispy, the size of the rice paper is important. If the paper is too small, the stuffing is not wrapped in enough layers. When cooked, it is less protected. It dries out. The spring rolls break more easily. They are less crispy and less handsome. I use rice paper of 22 centimeters in diameter. Wet a towel, green it well. Spread it out on the work surface. It will absorb excess water and help the rice paper soften quickly. Prepare a container of hot water. It allows the rice paper to soften very quickly without becoming too soft. Dip a paper in it and take it out immediately. Put it on the towel, then flip it over. This removes any excess of water. Put 2 tablespoons of stuffing. Place it near the bottom edge of the paper. Fold the 2 sides toward the center. The folds are straight and parallel. Then roll up tightly. Remove as much air as possible. With the heat, the air will expand in your spring rolls and make them inflate like this balloon. To avoid breaking, wrap them tightly when you roll them up. Put them next to each other. When we take them, they'll come off easily. To have crispy spring rolls, the cooking is done in 2 steps. For the first frying at 150 degrees Celsius, fry half the spring rolls for 5 minutes. It is normal if they swell a little. If they stick together, don't try to separate them immediately. They'll come off more easily at the end of cooking. Take them out and let them cool on the rack. Continue frying with the other half. At this point, we can freeze them. For the second cooking, fry them at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes until they are golden and crispy. Take them out and put them on a rack. To enjoy the shrimp fried spring rolls, wrap them in a salad leaf with herbs and dip them in a nuke cham sauce. You can watch my video to learn how to easily make this sauce. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.